Good morning everyone, welcome back to another video. Welcome back to London weather. It's miserable again today, but we're a man short today, so it's going to be a busy day for me and Mr. A. We're going to head down to the garage and we picked up some moisture board. Finally we managed to find some. It take about 5 mile drive to get that, but we've got our moisture board, so we're going to go and fit the moisture board to the walls, and then later on we're gonna pop down to the garden house if the weather permits and do some digging down there. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let us know what you think of the progress so far. I will see you guys later. Take care. Guys, lunchtime. Curried goat, rice and peas, Jamaican stuff. That's what I'm having for lunch today. So just a quick update, guys, what we're doing today. The weather's not been good, and as I said, one guy's short today, so I don't think we're gonna get any digging done today. But so we're just gonna crack on at this garage and try and get it all boarded up, and then we're waiting for waiting for the shower tray to come and stuff like that. So then hopefully we can get on with the digging tomorrow. Looking at the weather, it's saying it's going to rain all day, so again I'm gonna have to look at the weather. It's come to that time of working outside at this time of year. This is what happens. We get, you know, all this series of bad weather. You get a couple of days good weather, a couple of days bad weather, but you know, we'll figure it out anyway. But yeah, anyway, just want to say a quick one as well. Yeah, thanks to everyone that comments and stuff, especially people are very positive and show us different ways. There's a couple of things on the job that I've done actually that the people have pointed out from previous ones that have been helpful. But what I will say as well, and I'm not having a go at anybody, but some of you guys, because I run the page, so I get to see certain statistics and stuff, and I see comments that everywhere. Whenever you make a comment, I see every single comment you've ever made, and I would just say this, like I said before, we're not like really down for negativity and stuff, and if we get people where it's a pattern where literally every comment of yours is only negative, then to me it questions why you're even on our channel. And if I feel like people are just being consistently negative, then I will just block you from the channel. Sorry, not trying to be funny, but that's just my policy of how I am. I'm very positive person. I take on criticism all the time. I have no problems with that, but I don't want my channel to be a thing where people can just basically feel like it's their daily, let's look for fault in this today so that we can criticize. So if that's what you're on, and oh, this is hot, then I'm just kind of just giving you a preempting, and just to say, yeah, if you've got something valid to contribute, contribute it so that everyone can learn, including myself and other people who watch the channel and read the comments. But if you're just gonna pop up just to point out or to try to find fault, which half the time people assume that we're doing stuff that they think we're gonna do that they don't know, which is always good to ask questions. But yeah, let's just kind of stop that vibe because we don't do that here. But otherwise, keep commenting, guys. We love it. And thank you for all the love that we get from you guys. Literally, it's a daily basis. I don't even really like to talk about stuff like this because I just feel like I shouldn't give energy to the 1% when 99% of it's there. But I think so once in a while you do have to kind of just remind people of what the purpose of our channel is and the type of vibe that we like to have here. But yeah, I'm not going to go on too much. I'm going to have my lunch and then we're going to get back to work, and we'll see you guys back on site. Just waiting for Mr. A. He's gone and picked up his lunch, and yeah, we're going to crack on with it today. So see you in a bit. So we are back onto the plasterboarding. As you can see, we're just about to do the shower area. So we've finished the vent pipe as well, and we've just put some expanding foam there just to kind of insulate that little area below it as well. But yeah, it's coming on well. We've pretty much done 90% of the plasterboarding, just around the reveals to do here of the door. But otherwise all areas are done. We've also temporarily fitted the radiator as well, just so that we can make sure that we've got everything in the right place. And we've also put a timber in the wall here so that we've got a good support to fix the top brackets into on the radiator. So now we're going to take this panel off, which we temporarily had screwed on, so that we can sort out the plumbing for the shower behind here, and then we can screw this panel up properly. So guys, we've installed our shower outlets, as you can see here. You can get a kit for this, which I tried to get today, but they didn't have any, so I added it this way, which is another way of doing it. So we secured these into the wall, and they're 150mm apart, which is the settings for the shower that we'll be using. And we've started running these pipes to the other units. So we've done the sink and the toilet. So we're just going to continue the plasterboarding, get the rest of this now plasterboarded up today, and that should be good for today. So some of you guys have been asking about the plasterboard and whether I'm using cement board or whatever, and that, but this is what we're going to be doing. So we're going to be tanking the shower area. This is what we're going to be using. So it's got a primer in here, it's got the waterproofer, it's got corner tapes, it's got floor matting as well, but we're not going to be using the floor matting. That's if you're doing like a wet room and stuff, so everything's in here for that. But we'll just be doing the walls within the shower area, the 3 walls. So that's the product we'll be using. We'll be tanking the area, which is where the white plasterboard is, hence why we've used that plasterboard. So you've got this wall here, you've got this wall here, and you've got that wall here. And then the rest of the walls are moisture board. So that's it for today, guys. Done a nice little clean up and just run through what we've done today. So we've pretty much got 99% of the plasterboard done. All these parts have been done, moisture board. It's just to sort out here. We're going to do some cementing here anyway before we do that. We've done shower area. We have got these shower pipes waiting on the other side of that. We started putting these in. We've put in the ones for the sink, one for the toilet. We've also cut the floor out where the waste is, as you can see. There's waste in here, so I'm going to block that up now. We've test fitted the radiator as well. This is a dual fuel radiator, so basically it runs off the central heating system, and it also has the option to be run electrically as well. And that is pretty much it for today, guys. So hope you guys enjoyed this video on the progress so far. Let us know what you think, and we hopefully see you guys tomorrow. And take care.